Wow, it's 5:30 a.m. in the morning here in Bengaluru and it's already hot. Summer is catching up in Jan itself. Today is the 25th of Jan 2024, my first ride of the year. Stay tuned, people. Dark winter morning here at 5:30 a.m. in Namma Bengaluru. The sunrise should be around 6:30, 6:40 ish. Beautiful Thursday morning here on Bangalore Highway BM Road. We're heading towards Hassan right now. A very good morning, people. Welcome you all back to my channel once again. This is Djmahaneet and you're riding with me today towards the Western Ghats. And the time right now is 6:45. As you seen earlier, I left home pretty early, met up with the boys and then riding towards Hassan to have breakfast. Today is the 25th of Jan, my first ride of the year. Super excited, been long. Last ride was in December, I think, when I rode to Goa for the IBW. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates of all my videos, and also follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Exciting ride coming up. Stay tuned, people. Super foggy here on BM Road. I think the temperature should be around 12-13 degrees. It's chill. Unlike Bengaluru, much more chiller here. Just about reaching Kudremukh, and I'm literally shivering with this cold. The winter morning here. So we had a quick stop here for breakfast at Vaishali BM Road. All the boys wanted to have some non-veg, and right now I'm going to get back on the road. So it's about 6 of us, I think. 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah, 6 of us riding today. Touch ಆಗೋಯ್ತು ಕಾಲು. So we are about 40 kilometers from Hassan, I think. The time right now is 8:30 a.m. Beautiful weather. It's actually chill. I'm literally shivering. Cold winter morning. Very windy. Lot of crosswinds. Great to be on the road after a long time. So much fun with the boys. Was on the mesh intercom and they were like going chatter chatter chatter. Right now I got disconnected for some reason. And the road to Hassan is wow. They've really done it up. And even the stretch which was by Chandrayapatna bypass was a bit bad because of the single lane, lot of accidents. Right now even that is almost done up. All brand new tar. So we should be reaching Kemengundi much earlier than we anticipated. All coconut grows across this area. I had one of my favorite breakfast joints here in Hassan, the HVR. This is the beautiful Gorur Dam. This is the backwater area of the dam. That is the dam on the horizon. This you can see. And we are in the backwaters. There's a small temple here. Right now it's closed. I don't think too many people come around here. There's hardly anybody.
So from beautiful backwaters of the Gorur Dam near Hassan, it was time to move ahead to our next destination, which was Shettihalli Church, which was en route to reaching the mountains.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ see the church and come. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೊರಡ್ಗೋ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆಫ್ ರೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೊರಡೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಹಾಂ, ಶೆಟ್ಟಿಹಳ್ಳಿ ಹತ್ರನ. If you want, you can see and come Arjun. ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಮುಂದೆ ಈ ರೋಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಕವರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು. Hello, it's not with this, go down straight and then come back.
From Shettihalli, we headed out to the mountains to the beautiful Western Ghats where we were to stay at Kalasa, where we were staying for the night. A beautiful, curvy, twisty ride all the way up to the mountains. So after getting a glimpse of beautiful sunset in Kalasa over the Dharmasthala mountain ranges, we just crashed for the night and next day headed out to the sea coastal ride. Check this out. Day 2 started off early as we rode through Kudremukh, which was our first stop for the day, and headed downwards towards the coast and had our lunch at Kundapura at Shettihalli Lunch Home, and from there we rode towards Goa along the coast. If you want to do something good right now, don't wait for the right occasion. You never know where life takes you. Keep it short, keep it sweet and happy. Always keep smiling. Cheers. After a scrumptious lunch at Shettihalli Lunch Home in Kundapura, we reached Goa by early evening. I was one of the first to arrive at the border of Goa, close to Karwar. Beautiful stretch of roads all along from Karwar as we entered Goa. And this was my second trip to Goa in the last 1 month, as I was there in IBW seen my earlier logs. Beautiful ride, enjoyed it thoroughly. So we stayed in Goa for the next couple of days and then headed back to Bangalore. Hope you enjoyed this entire vlog of mine. If you do so, hit the subscribe button, also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates of all my videos. Also follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and the Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. So give me a thumbs up if you do like this video. Cheers, see you on the other side. Sayonara, adios and goodbye. Thank you very much for watching. This is Djmahaneet signing off.
Cuando oí tu voz, supe que había encontrado el amor. Este lugar, esta tierra, tiene tanto que ofrecer. Cuando vengas, calla. Cuando vengas, no me avises.